American forces have carried out strikes against targets linked to an Iranian backed militia in Syria in response to a rocket attack on Washington's troops in the country, the US military has said. According to AFP, the strikes targeted the group's weapons storage and logistics headquarters facility in response to a rocket attack on US personnel. The US Central Command, CENTCOM, said in a post on social media that did not identify the militia by its name, though. The CENTCOM added that there was no damage to US facilities and no injuries to US or partner forces during this attack. Just a day before this, the US forces bombed 9 targets associated with Iranian backed groups in response to recent drone and rocket attacks, according to the Pentagon. The Syrian Observatory for Human Rights, which is a monitoring group, said on Monday that these strikes had killed 4 members of loyal groups to Iran. The US military has around 900 troops in Syria and 2,500 in Iraq as a part of international coalition that was established in 2014 to help combat the Islamic State jihadist group or ISIS. Since Israel and Gaza war intensified after the October 7th Hamas-led attack, and then Israel's retaliation has continued for over a year, pro-Iran groups have repeatedly targeted US forces in Iraq and Syria in response to US support for Israel as well as the weapon and other aids provided to Israel. The United States has responded to such Iran-backed groups. One of the most notable Iran-backed groups to have attacked US and other global entities is the Hezbollah, and back in Yemen, another Gaza-supporting group called the Houthis, which are deemed as terrorists by some of these countries, have carried out repeated attacks in the sea, which has damaged many vessels carrying either UK or US products and facilitate global trade. The Houthis have repeatedly said that they only target vessels that are either going to or are being run by US and UK in order to damage them economically as a payback for the war on Gazans.